Hey guys, just taking a break from my normal videos. I just wanted to talk a little bit about something that I remembered from years ago when I got these used parts in from Pennsylvania area. How many of you remember those commercials, the Rusty Jones commercials, or the Z-Bart, what was it, the Z-Bart rust proofing commercials? They used to spray that rust proofing material inside your car.
Hi, I'm Rusty Jones, and I'll fight rust for as long as you own your car, even where a factory warranty leaves off. From the rocky coast of Maine to the Gulf of Mexico, thousands of dealers offer my Rusty Jones option, the one new car option that appreciates in value. I'll stay with you. Go Rusty Jones! Goodbye, Rusty cars!
Well, I got these panels in. These are used panels that I got in for Project Zombie, and they came from the western Pennsylvania area. Now I don't know if the car was always in that general area, but anyhow, that's where the car came from. And you may have seen this on some panels in the past. In the door jamb, there's these little plugs. There was one here and there was one here I took out. I was trying to read the name that was on it, but you'll see them various different places on the car. So what they would do is they would essentially drill holes in your car, and they had this wand that would go inside the hole and supposedly spray this wax type material, whatever it was that they were spraying in there, undercoating, waxy undercoating type material that they would spray inside the car, and it was supposed to coat the inside areas of the car to make it rust proof and keep it from rusting in the rust belt areas of the United States where cars would rust out in 2 or 3 years after coming off the line. I just found it hilarious when I got these panels in as to just how much they actually coated the insides of these panels. So I'm going to bring you around and show you the inside of this panel. Now, as you can see, here, where the dark area is, and here, is all that got coated. Not a very big area. The other hole is actually behind here. So the wand never got past here, which means none of this area inside of here got coated. And as you can see, nothing here has been coated. And I don't see anywhere else on here that it got that coating at. Could this be the reason why you don't see these systems advertised anymore? Now, I'm sure not all of these companies that were doing this were doing a shoddy job like this one was. But if you think about what they were actually getting to do this procedure, they had to start cutting corners in order to make money. So I had always wondered how those systems worked. I had an idea of what it was done, how it was done, but to actually see just how little bit of that material was coated inside the panels, it made me laugh, and I thought I would just share that with everybody on my channel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Again, if you can, share it, like it, leave me some comments about it. I find strange things like this all the time, and when I do, I'm going to be sure to make videos about them again. Thanks for watching.